Hi, have you ever wondered why so many people, there is so many relationship break up, or some people just live for a namesake, okay, as a husband and wife, just for the society. Particularly, we hear a lot from the film industry or the celebrities, from the celebrities called as stars, and the foolish thing is many of us follow them as a role models. So I'm going to share something very different this time. And one caution is this video is not for anyone below 18 years. And again, this is purely for couples, married couples. So watch the video till the end. In fact, I was forced to create this video because there are so many issues. There are so many people who are inquired about this, and I have solved some cases, okay, particularly in relationship. And recently, one lady called me and said she was finding it difficult to satisfy her husband physically, and she said she tried many things, and she was still not able to satisfy him, and that was causing a lot of problem in the relationship. So when I started sharing through the mind how it can be solved, and she was very happy and asked me, can you just create a video, because there are so many people who will be benefited out of this video. So again, thanks to that lady who inspired me to create a video like this. Before going to this topic, let me make it very clear, I am not a doctor. I am sharing all this from a mind power point of view. And I got many results through mind power. One testimony to share. A person from another country called me for a business coaching. In the process, he was saying his daughter who completed her MBBS, and after completing her MBBS, she got into a wrong relationship, in the sense a wrong friendship, and where she was forced to take some drugs. That became a habit, and she moved away from the house. And for 9 years, they are not able to trace her where she was. And this person tried many ways. He tried the pujas, the black magic, and all the things so that she'll come back home or to trace her. Nothing worked out. So during the session when he said about this, so I said, yes, we can definitely do through mind power. Within 45 days after the session, he got her daughter back. Hope you can understand how powerful the mind is. Okay, let's get into this topic. First, let us understand everybody is selfish. What is for me? If you are not able to address this, you can never satisfy your partner. You get what you give. You sow what you reap. First you sow, then only you can reap. So if you want love, you have to give love. Try to understand more about your partner. What they want, what is they need. Until unless you don't try to fulfill their needs, you can never satisfy them physically or emotionally also. The friction starts in a relationship because we don't know what they need, what my partner needs. Just one tip to share about the difference between men and women. Men are more physical, women are more emotional. A woman loves to talk, and she wants her partner to listen to her. But on the other side, men don't want to listen because they're already fed up with so many inputs from the office, from the society, from so many things are running in their mind. So they're already filled up with so much of inputs, so much of data in the mind, and they don't have the time or they don't have the patience to listen to their partner, to their wife. And without listening to them, that is, without satisfying their need, a lady will never agree for a physical relation. Even if she agrees for a physical relation, that will be a forced relationship. That will be a forced physical relationship where she will not enjoy, and in the end, you don't enjoy. Ladies, please listen. Listen to your husband more. Before even talking anything, before even sharing your thoughts, listen to them by asking them questions. How was the day? So what was good today? Or something about their office, about the organization, about a promotion. Just make them to speak. Let them speak out. When they are completely empty, wait. They will start asking you, how was the day? When they start asking you, then you start speaking. So what happens? They emptied their mind and they're now ready to listen to you. This is for the men. Similarly, if you really want to satisfy your wife, listen to them. And ladies are good in talking. Ladies are good in sharing. So ask about them. Ask about the parents, ask about the sisters or brothers or relatives. Ask something about them. And even if it is boring, just nod your head, pretending as if you are interested in the conversation. Allow them to speak. 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 Then they feel that yes, my partner, my husband really cares for me, really loves me. So when emotionally they are satisfied, physically you can satisfy them. And one more piece of advice. Many people have a habit of watching, particularly couples or individuals, have a habit of watching porn movies. Some say just for education purpose, some say for mood purpose. I mean, they say okay, just before indulging in a physical relation, if I see this, I get into that mood. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Over a period of time, it becomes like a habit. And actually what happens, the moment you start watching this kind of movies, you are attracting a different energy in your body. You are spiritually affected. That is, your spirit gets affected, your soul gets affected. Never ever do this. See, I'm not going to talk more about the physical side. I'm going to talk more about the mind side, from the mind power point of view. So there are many blocks which has been stuck. It could be like a past conditioning, bad habits, or past bad thoughts, illegal relationship, or getting addicted to this porn movies or masturbation. So these are kind of blocks which is stuck deeper in your subconscious mind. Until unless you don't clear these blocks, you can't satisfy your partner physically, emotionally, and you can't live a peaceful life. And some people are good into searching the net, that is Google, on so many issues, particularly when it comes to physical relation, they just search on the Google. And there are some wrong data also which they feed in their mind. Never do that. One more question which I always get is masturbation good or bad? Because some doctors, if you see some on the YouTube, some doctors claim that masturbation is not harmful, it's not bad. But personally, from my side, from the mind power point of view, what I say is, what do you do when you masturbate? Many people actually, they say, okay, when they masturbate, they imagine somebody. Okay, they imagine somebody, and then only they indulge in this masturbation. So what actually happens is, you're slowly allowing your soul to open up. So you're inviting a different kind of energy in your body. Yes, that's where it becomes an addiction. There are many people who called me and said, I'm finding it difficult to come out of this masturbation. You know why? Because they are addicted. In fact, another way to say, they have an external energy which is controlling them right now. So even if they know it is wrong, it is very difficult for them to come out because it's no more them, it is an external energy which is controlling them. So from my side, masturbation is not good. And if you are stuck, yes, you can easily come out. And in fact, not just masturbation, I'm talking about all the addictions. Every kind of addiction, you are inviting a different energy in your body. In fact, we recently heard a lot about drugs in the society, particularly with the with the teenagers. This is also an addiction. The moment you're getting into addiction, you're inviting an external energy in your body. And the beauty here is, I brought many people out of this kind of addictions. It could be any kind of addiction in just one sitting. And the beauty is, you can be any part of the world, you can still reach me out. Again, if you're serious to make a difference, only for those people, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me. I'll be there to help you out.